Abanyeshengero b'ishengero ry'Eky'Okuteeka abari kuruga mu kibiina kya National Resistance Movement NRM bagizireho ishazi y'izuba rya Jumwebazyo ahari ku Commonwealth Hotel Munyonyo omuri Kampala. Urukiiko oru oyihireho abanyeshengero ruhikirwemu abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe nka chairman w'ekibiina kya NRM kandi Purezidenti w'Eihangaa His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni niwe abeire omugambi mukuru. Omu rubaju rwe omwebembezi w'Eihangaa ayorekire obutashemererwa kushanga ngu abantu barikutuura omu njara rwaranda nk'embeera eriho obwahati omu kyanga ekya Karamoja kandi obu atwire nagamba aha kyetengo ky'okuteeka amaani omu za projekiti z'okuhisya abantu amaizi g'okushikyera ebihingwa.
I've been telling you about irrigation. Irrigation, banange, irrigation. But people, instead of concentrating on those programs, districts, new districts, cities, salaries, I don't know what. Now you see the problem we have in Karamoja now. Even Acholi, I hear in Agago area there, people have been suffering.
Omwebembezi w'Eihangaa agambira abanyeshengero ngu Eihanga niriteekwa kuteeka sente omu bintu ebirikureetaho entunguuka kutari kushiisha sente omu bintu nk'emishahara n'okutandika za district ensi.
Instead of moving on those crucial programs of the railway, because I always tell you, please, apart from defense and security, the crucial priorities, the railway, electricity, irrigation, some of the roads, not all the roads, but some of them, and others, the Maram ones to be maintained as Maram but maintained, but people don't listen.
Purezidenti Agenshonga egi ahabwire abanyeshengero kurebeka ngu baba nibagaba embarira y'Eihanga bateeke sente omu bintu eby'enkizo ebirikwongyera entunguuka y'Eihanga nk'amashanyarazi, ebyokwerinda, enkuuto n'ebindi.
We are lucky that we have some money to buy food from other parts of the country and take it to Karamoja. But this is a budget. Now we need to divert budget money to deal with that crisis. So therefore, this time, I want really you to be serious. To say the crucial programs first, defense and security, the railway, some of the roads, electricity.
Aha nshonga z'ebyamagara Purezidenti Yoweri Museveni Ajumireire ekyokushanga amarwariro gatari ga gavumenti gatari mu mibazi, ekintu ekyagizire ngu nikiija kukora ba minisita omu rukiiko rwabo okuronda ekyokukora kumaraho ekizibu eki.
Corruption in the health centers. You don't find drugs there. I don't know what the problem is with the drugs. Is it because they are being stolen? Or is it because we are under budgeting? What is the problem? So we shall have to discuss it in the cabinet. So you have that problem of shortage of drugs. People go to the health centers. They are told to go and buy from the shops.
Hati obururu buhwire Purezidenti Museveni ashabira abebembezi okuteeka amaani omu kukuratira eby'obuheereza hamwe na programu za gavumenti okureebeka ngu obuheereza nibuhikaho abantu.
So therefore, now that you are elected yourselves, monitor your area. It is very easy to monitor. Because the people will tell you, the population will tell you. They will tell you. They know if you ask them.
omu nkireegi ey'obwebembezi gavumenti etiire amaani aky'okusya abantu obuheereza okurwanisa obushobanguzi hamwe n'entunguuka y'abantu boona.